and welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the different roles in the data science domain. In this video, we will look at the difference between the two main roles, that is data analyst and data scientist. So we will take a look at the differences and the career paths for both disciplines. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. As the world relies increasingly on data in many aspects of business, research, and economy, both data scientist and data analyst, they are in demand. A data scientist is someone who can predict the future based on the past patterns, whereas a data analyst is someone who merely curates meaningful insights from data. A data scientist job role involves estimating the unknown, whilst a data analyst job role involves looking at the known from new perspectives. A data scientist is expected to generate their questions, while a data analyst finds answers to a given set of questions from data. A data analyst addresses business problems, but a data scientist not just addresses business problems, but picks up those problems that will have the most business value once solved. Data analysts are the ones who do the day-to-day analysis stuff, but data scientists have the what-ifs. So let us look at the data analyst job role in detail. What does a data analyst do? A data analyst typically gathers data to identify trends that help business leaders make strategic decisions. The discipline is focused on performing statistical analysis to help answer questions and solve problems. A data analyst uses tools like SQL to make queries to relational databases. A data analyst may also clean data or put it in a usable format, discarding irrelevant or unusable information or figuring out how to deal with missing data. A data analyst writes convention SQL queries to find answers to complex business questions. A data analyst typically works as part of an interdisciplinary team to determine the organization's goals and then manage the process of mining, cleaning, and analyzing data. Data analyst uses programming languages like R and SAS, visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau, MS Excel, and communication skills to develop and convey their findings. Now let us discuss the data scientist job role in detail. What does a data scientist do? A data scientist will typically be more involved with designing, data modeling processes, creating algorithms, and predictive models. Therefore, data scientists may spend more time designing tools, automation systems, and data frameworks. Compared to a data analyst, a data scientist may be more focused on developing new tools and methods to extract the information that the organization requires to solve complex problems. It's also beneficial to possess business intuition and critical thinking skills to understand the implications of the data. Some in the field might describe a data scientist as someone who not only has mathematical and statistical knowledge, but also the skill of a hacker to approach problems in innovative ways. Now we will look at the skill comparison of both data analyst and data scientist. Data analyst and data scientist skills do overlap, but there is a significant difference between the two. Now, both the job roles, they require some basic math know-how, understanding of algorithms, good communication skills, and knowledge of software engineering. Data analysts are masters in SQL, and they use regular expressions to slice and dice the data, With some level of scientific curiosity, data analyst can tell a story from data. A data scientist, on the other hand, possesses all the skills of a data analyst with a strong foundation in modeling, analytics, math, statistics, and computer science. What differentiates a data scientist from a data analyst is the strong acumen along with the ability to communicate the findings in the form of a story to both the IT leaders and business stakeholders in such a way that it can influence how a company approaches a business challenge. So I hope that all of you are now clear with the difference between data analyst and data scientist. In the next video, we will look at how data science affects businesses. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Bye.